If you think about it, over the last couple of years, fintech as an industry has really picked up, which basically also means you have more credible investors behind it, which means more talent goes into it, which means that basically the industry is evolving and maturing. We have kind of high hopes for the UK market. We launched, as I said, mid-November. And with regard to further expansion plans, so we are now available basically in all markets across Europe. So it's 22 markets that we're in. And in the first half of next year, we're expanding to the US, where we will enter with a partner bank in the background, as basically our licensee in Europe is not applicable in the US. And that model is something we are hoping to replicate in many more markets to come in the next 5 to 10 years, very much depending on the learnings that we take also from the UK market entry and the US entry as well.
Our development roadmap, first and foremost, is the open banking connections and making sure that we're connected to every major financial institution, as well as the smaller or the long tail of financial institutions, including all manners of credit card providers. Beyond that, the thing that we're really excited about is really developing out this marketplace proposition, and basically once we've got a critical mass of 1 million or so customers, being able to help them in a really meaningful and tangible way, say this is a better product for you.
We'll be looking forward to launching Euro accounts, credit cards, and lots of new features for those people who run their private account and their business account on this same app. We're 1 year into open banking, but we're only at the start of the journey. The next important point is September 2019, when the technical standards are launched. And then in the next couple of years, you'll see more and more developments. But we haven't seen anything really transformational yet, but it'll come.
We've got a really long geographic expansion roadmap for 2019, and it's really exciting. Australia, New Zealand, Hong Kong, Singapore, US, Canada, Japan are all on our roadmap for 2019. And beyond that, even more markets around the world. We want to be a truly global financial service. People talk a lot about open banking and PSD2 and how that's going to revolutionize everything. We actually haven't seen it really take off yet. So I think 2019 could be a very interesting year for open banking for PSD2 to see how that whole landscape develops. Because right now I personally haven't seen any kind of groundbreaking applications of it that customers would be comfortable with and are taking up in large numbers.